Hello and welcome to another Monkey Makes 3D modelling tutorial in Blender. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, because it helps the channel pop up in the searches. And here we go. Okay, here we go. For a front wheel, I believe. I know the rear tyre has an extra tread. Can't really see any decent images. I'll tell you what though, if we just go by one of these tyres, might be era correct or period correct. These look possibly newer tyres, but these would be a lot easier to do than a complicated tyre, so we could get away with doing these really quickly. There's loads of ways of doing tyres. You see there, 1, 2, 3, that's got 4, 5 in there. Obviously because it's a lot thicker, but anyway, we'll do the rim first. Right, so I believe there are 17-inch rim. Seen somewhere for some reason. Do that first, scale that in, pull that back, scale that in again, pull that back, and then scale it in and pull it back to give this surface here, put her a slight angle, and then we'll cut out one triangle and then we'll rotate it so it creates all those holes for the rim, in theory. Why did I nearly press stop there for some strange reason? Right, so here we go. Right, so let's display the images again. We don't need engine right now, so let's create another folder for this wheels. Why does that look grayed out? Nothing selected in here, is it? Right, for some reason that has no, I spelled that wrong for one. Right, so 3. And engine again. Do a shift and right click in the center of the wheel. Just try to get center keep. Yep. Now do a shift here. We shall add a circle. Rotate it on Y90 degrees so we can see it. Hope it's huge. I've tested this already. We need 30. And oh, what was the number? 17 inches. So 17 inches divided by 2. There we go. Whoa. Right, so 1. Leave the origin in the center. So you press tab. Or probably all selected anyway, but we'll drag that out. Like it automatically gives us our mirror point. So from there, need 2, do an extrude, then a scale. I'm not sure these images are quite right. We'll go to there, slight angle change, slide it back just a little bit, extrude on X, slight scale as well, just so it's not like a right angle. So it went back, and we need to extrude it in and then back again. Scale, wrong way. Again, just slide it back a little bit, and extrude X again. And yep, you guessed it, do a slight scale. Put your finger on shift to slow it down. You should know by now. Oh, again, I'm trying to rotate this image. Right, so that appears to come out a little bit. It's hard to tell which one to follow. Done absolutely nothing, and that's 5 minutes already. Right, so I'm going to leave this up to you, whichever you prefer, but I shall do the rim this way. Right, so do an extrude scale. Go to 3 so we can see where this scale. Scale to that one there. Don't forget to press left click. Okay, so that's selected there. That needs to slide back also. So this gives you that angle of where they are. Same thing that previous image I was just looking at there. Is that it? No. Look at this one anyway. See how it goes back a little bit. And then that seems to come out. Ooh. It's a better one. So that goes back, and then that appears to come out, and then we'll have to put the 5 holes in there for the other attachment. So this bit might be counterintuitive, but just bear with me. So we need to do a Control R to add where the hole is going to be. Also in there. So with the knife, we'll do a A for knife. Select them two, press enter, key again, that one, and that one, enter, and I'll deselect that. Yeah. Right, highlight them, put X and 3, and with that selected, do a extrude and X, for scale X. Maybe scale it in a little bit as well. Right, this is where it gets weird. That's the right button. What we need to do is just select this part here and then rotate it so it creates these. But then once you've done that, right, you'll see, watch. So it didn't do what I wanted it to do. Right, so we just need them to Control I, invert them, X and a 1. With all of those selected, we're going to have a T menu at the side. We need to go to spin duplicates again. It's on the wrong axis, so go to Tool, change that to X. Right, so if you just click on one of these pluses, click Use Duplicates, put that on 8. Oh, then do an A for all, merge by distance, and then support 38 together. So back into that one there. Now, this is the weird bit. We need to create that little space there and then rotate it again, and that should fill in our whole rim. So we do that to there, Shift, Control, right click, go to Bridge, select that, and select all of these. this one here. Invert again. X1. Do all. Then get them around the right way. I'm feeling they're still facing the wrong way, but right, with them selected again. Spin duplicates. Here we go. Click on the plus. Use duplicates. Oh, it's filled in that rim. So all, merge, info merge by distance. Oh, of our rim. Drop a subdivision on it. Right click, shade smooth first, and 2 levels. Not very sharp at the moment. So magic of support. Here we go. Pull one of them into there. Put one into there. Straight away, made a huge difference. These don't look the best at the moment. Putting a auto smooth on doesn't do any justice, to be fair. Even at 50, so we'll not do that. What we'll do is we'll have a render on 3, so when it renders, it corrects these horrible faces. Basically, that's where it will show. Don't necessarily need to show them in the viewport. What we could also do is actually Alt. Of course, that's not going to select easily, is it? Probably have done this before. Oops. Try it. Move. Control that one. Best if you're in Edge. Sorry, just deselect them. No mistake. Oops. Right. You want to put a. Don't want to put a 1 on it, but with it on. Looks the same, to be fair, doesn't it? There you go. That only really works when your auto smooths on. Actually, that's pretty much like that anyway, isn't it? Because they are quite sharp put out, to be fair. I suppose what we could do is, rather than being a 1, we could always try it an 8. Again, it starts creating that. Right, what's the time on this? Oof. Only want to do half-hour videos again. Right. Click them plus turns of the oh. Only need that one. Right, do a Shift D to duplicate, then X. Go to the other side and turn T off for now. Go to 1. Do it the scale X minus 1 again. Just line that up there. Insert that tire. Highlight these 2 edges. To extrude scale X. Fingers crossed it didn't work. Ignore that one. Do a bridge. Or may in the middle, then do a Control V. And separate that all the way up there. Do one more time. Control R. Oops. Control V. Do a scale Shift X. Don't take it down too far because it intersects that ring. And then you might need to, don't get away with just doing it that way, that might be easier. Control B, move it out slightly, then move your cursor to your scroll wheel so there's 3 there. Should tighten that up nicely. Do the same with that one, but we'll just put a 2 in that one. Same with the back. Pull up 2. Make this in a circle here, but just scale that in a little. Back. Now we need to do an extrude an X. So they can't be seen through here. You can barely see it anyway, but cool. There's our front rim. Well, apart from the bit in the centre, of course. So what we'll quickly go to 3, extrude and scale. Just a little bit. What on earth is that done there? Individual. How has it done that? Meeting. Or merge them. You might have to do that. Manage to duplicate them without totally by accident. So extrude. Scale it in a little bit. And scale again. Right, and this will be our platform to build the 5 holes for fastening the wheel to the car. Cutie. Right. Over there. Control save, Control S even. And I'll catch you in the next one.